Wait, these kids are. Okay. So, when I look at quadratic equations, you have learnt about polynomials and their zeros. So, most of the things will be like that only. You don't have to worry much. But let me just ask you a few questions based on that. One question MCQ that can come is identify if it's a if it's a quadratic polynomial or not. So please think about it and tell me. This is the first question. Second one, figure it out. If it's a quadratic
Ma'am, you're not
polynomial.
sharing.
I'm not sharing. For quadratic polynomial, one thing that you have to remember is the power of x, the power of variable will be 2. That is quadratic polynomial. For linear equation, it is 1. Linear equation, the power of quadratic equation is 1. For the power of variable is 1, and for quadratic equation it is 2. That is one thing that you should be remembering. For cubic it is 3. Is that correct? And for linear equation, the graph will be a straight line. For remember all those things, and x will have one value. When x is raised to the power of 2, x will have two values. So now you have to look at this and tell me which of them are quadratic polynomials according to you. Please tell me which ones are quadratic. For that, sometimes you will have to solve also. Sometimes you might have to solve also. So, first of all, look at x square plus 2 root x minus 3. Is that a quadratic polynomial? Is that a quadratic polynomial? Everybody, look at this and tell me, is it a quadratic polynomial? Fast, fast. Yes.
No.
No.
It is not
No.
a quadratic polynomial because here x raised to 1 by 2 it is. If I remove the root, it is 1 by 2, and the power of a variable cannot be fraction. It is not an integer. The power is supposed to be integer. So it's not an integer, therefore it's not a quadratic polynomial. Now look at the next question and tell me what is happening. Is it a quadratic polynomial? Quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, it is a quadratic polynomial because if you solve, it will become x square
Yes, ma'am.
minus 2x minus 2. Is that correct? Now, can you please tell
Yes,
me
ma'am.
x square plus 1 by x square equal to 2? Is it a quadratic polynomial? Is this a quadratic polynomial?
No.
No, ma'am.
No,
No.
ma'am.
Okay. Now, next one. In each of there is another important question which comes from this chapter. You have to find the value of k. So, suppose the question is 3x square plus 2kx minus 3 equal to 0. If x is equal to minus 1 by 2, find the value of k. Can you quickly do this? Can you quickly find the value of k? Speed up, speed up. Just substitute the value of x and quickly find the value of k. Chalo, speed up, speed up. These are the kind of questions which come in exam.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
my network was not working, so I just joined. What are we doing?
Nothing, Sheza. We are just revising quadratic equations chapter. So it's from the starting. So you can just continue. You
Okay.
have to find the value of k here. Find the value of k when x is something. So x's value is given. Find it out. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Please do it.
Ma'am, I got K as minus 9 by 4.
You, for the first one, you got
Yes.
k as minus 9 by 4. Did anybody get k as minus 9 by 4?
Yes, ma'am. I got -9/4.
Okay, so what you did is you substituted x with minus 1 by 2, and kids, in these kind of questions the most important part is your sign. If you are careful about sign, things get easy. Minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 4, and here minus into plus will become minus, so that is minus 2k by 2, so 2 and 2 will get cut. Minus 3 equal to 0. So I'll just do it here. The step looks like 3 by 4 minus k minus 3 equal to 0. So it makes sense to move k to this side because k is negative. So 3 by 4 minus 3 equal to positive k. Now k is equal to 3 minus 12 by 4, and it makes it minus 9 by 4. Yes, that is the answer. Now please do the second question, kids. Quickly do the second question. Speed up.
Ma'am, I got K as minus A square.
You got k as minus a square. Good job. Yes, kids, please do fast, fast. Yes, come on.
Mom, I got minus a square.
Minus a square. Did everybody get that?
Yes, ma'am. I
Yes,
got
mom.
same.
Yes, ma'am.
Cool. Chalo. So that is fine. If you all got it, should I do it? Is there anybody who's not got it? X square is minus a square plus 2 into minus a. Always the negatives I want you to put in the bracket so that you don't get confused with the sign. Minus a whole square will become a square, and this will become minus 2. This is also minus a. Minus 2a square minus k equal to 0. X was a actually, right? So this was minus a and 1 was a. So that becomes this. So this is minus a square minus k equal to 0 and hence k is equal to minus a square. Okay. So that is done. Now, next question is the kind of question which comes is if one root of quadratic equation 2x square plus kx minus 6 is equal to 0 is 2. That is one of the zeros is to find k. Also find other root. Also find other root. Can you please quickly do this? Please do it. Speed up, speed up, speed up. Speed up, kids. Speed up. Sometimes two values of x are given, x equal to 2 and x equal to 3 are roots. No, you do the previous one. This I'm writing for next question. Do it, okay? Tell me the value for both. Speed up.
Mom is k minus 1.
For the first one.
Yeah, find k is k minus 1.
Yeah, k is minus 1.
Okay, ma'am. Speed up, guys. Do the next question. Full record on. ഇത്രയും കേൾക്കണ്ട. Yes, guys. Are you able to do this one? When two values for x is given, what will happen? This is little different. When two values, Mom,
yeah,
Mom, are you supposed to first solve for one root, then solve again for the next root, then add them up?
yeah, you will get two equations, correct?
Okay, ma'am.
Solve it.
when x is equal to 2. So this is 3. You guys do, okay? I'm just doing here. What if,
Can't we add the can't we find alpha plus beta and alpha into beta and solve?
yeah, you can do that method also because you have completed polynomials chapter before this. So you can do that method also.
Ma'am, is K 15 by 2 and M 9?
Yeah, that's perfectly correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Substitute and do it. 9 into 3, 27. What is this happening? We can write it as minus 6k plus 2m equal to minus 27, and this we can write minus 2k plus m is equal to minus 6, right? And we can bring this one here and multiply that with 2 so that we can eliminate m. Okay, we'll multiply this one with 2. So this will become minus 4k plus 2m equal to minus 12, and this is minus 6k plus 2m equal to minus 27. To eliminate, I will change the sign. This both will get cut. This is 2k equal to, this will also be subtraction 15. So k is equal to 15 by 2. You will substitute k in any of the formulas. You can substitute here and you can find the value of m. That is okay. Now there is a train question. I'll give you a train question which is very
You can
important.
scroll up.
This part,
Okay. Yeah, I just want to see. It's not scroll down.
little bit more.
No, you can scroll down.
This is the question I'm giving. Please try to do it. There are two questions. I am sharing it here. Right? So now we will discuss the first question. An express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train to travel 132 kilometer between Mysore and Bangalore. So, see, they are talking about a situation. There is a fixed distance. What is the distance? The distance between two places is 132. Okay. Distance is equal to 132 kilometer. Can you write this distance as a formula? Distance is actually what? What is
Speed into time.
distance? Distance is equal to speed into time also. Is that correct? So you have understood that fact. Now what is speed and what is time? Let's come here. If the average speed of the express train is 11 kilometer per hour more than that of the passenger train. Okay, do we have any idea what is the speed of passenger train? So we can write here, let speed of passenger train be x. Speed of passenger train be x. So if this is x, what is the speed of express train? Express train is how much? X plus 11. Okay, you got that. Now what information do we have? Time. What are they saying? The time express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train. Can we say express train time? Okay. Time taken by express train minus time taken by passenger train is equal to 1. Can we say that? Yes, can I say that, kids? Now, time we have, there is a equation we have got here, time of express minus time of passenger. So can we substitute time taken by the express train? Time taken by the express train will be distance divided by speed, and time taken by the passenger will be distance by speed. Isn't that easy to form a question? Now what you will do? Take 132 common. So here we are getting 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x equal to 1. Can we take LCM here? So this is x minus x plus 1 in the bracket, correct? And down we are getting x into x plus 1 equal to 1. Now what will happen? 132 x minus 1. Did you see that? The minus opened. And can I take this to this side? X square plus x. I opened it and took it to the right hand side. Here these both will get cut. So I am getting minus 132 equal to x square plus x. So what is my equation? Guys, did something went wrong? Nobody said, yeah. Kids, you did not say. The speed of the express train was plus 11, right? So many mistakes now. Why didn't you guys say? You should have prompted, na? It was plus 11. So the speed of the express train was x plus 11 and I wrote x plus 1. That's why I have made the changes. When I reached the last step only, I realized. So 132 into 11 is,
Ma'am, is it plus 11 or minus 11?
it should be minus 11, na? No, here it is plus. I have put plus for express, but when I write it in the bracket and then there is a minus sign, no? Because the difference between the time taken by the express and the passenger is 1. So because of this minus sign, when I open the bracket, I am getting that, right?
Ma'am, can you scroll up for a second? Ma'am, over at the 132 and then multiplied by 1 by x plus 11, don't you write 1 by x first and then minus 1 by x plus 11?
No, I said, see, that is up to you, how you have, what you say, found out. Oh, that's also there. No, but they said time taken by, no? time taken by, you are taking, that's also there. True, true. Was in a hurry. Good. Thank you, Shreya. Thank you. So let us just fix it. Guys, good observation by Shreya. So let me just do it once again. An express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train to cover a distance of 132. So distance is equal to 132, and the time taken by express train, because of this noises I'm not able to teach. So difficult. Can you, the time taken by passenger will be greater or the time taken by express train will be greater? Which will be greater?
Express train, right?
No,
Sorry, passenger
passenger
train.
will be greater because passenger train is smaller, is slower. Passenger train will be very slow. So suppose they are going from which place to which? Mysore and Bangalore. They are going from Mysore to Bangalore. So if the express train is taking 1 hour, the passenger train will take 2 hours. So that is why it's important. Actually, we have done this kind of question. Time is very important, crucial. Otherwise, we will get confused towards the end. So here what happens, you have to understand who will take more time. This is logical understanding of the question more than arithmetic. So here what is happening, the passenger train will take more time to cover the same distance as compared to the express train. Now we are discussing about the speed also. If the passenger train speed is x kilometer per hour, your express train is very fast. The speed is x plus 11 kilometer per hour. So speed also you have, and you know the relationship between the time. Time of passenger minus time of express is equal to 1. So time is calculated as distance by speed minus distance by x plus 11 equal to 1. Now I will take 132 common. Now it will be 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 11 equal to 1. Now the next step will be
Mom, can
x.
you go a bit up?
What happened? 1 minute. While solving, it is little. My 11 by x square plus 11x equal to 11. My God. Equal to 1. Sorry. If I open the bracket, how much is 11 into 132? 1452 is equal to, am I correct? Yeah? It's okay, right? Now? Yeah, what happened, Adi? Which part you want to check?
Nothing, ma'am. You can scroll down.
So now this is our equation, x square plus 11x minus 1452. equal to 0. So did you solve it? 1452. Did anybody solve it?
Yes, ma'am, it's 44.
What did you get?
44.
Let's check. 1452. 7, 2, 6. Then 2, 3, 6, 3. This is in 3, 1, 2, 1, 11 and 11. Okay. 44 and 33. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So x is common. X plus 44 minus 11 is common. X plus 44. So x minus 11 and x plus 44. X is equal to 11 and x is equal to minus 44. Correct? So you can continue with x equal to 11. Speed of your passenger train. Is it clear? Is it clear, kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So based on this, you should be able to do the second question. Can you try to do the second one? Say
Ma'am, for
similar.
the second one, it just said form the quadratic equation. So
No,
we
no,
have
no.
to
You
like
find the speed. You find the speed because in the exam you will have to find the speed. So find the speed. Did you get it? Guys, did you get it? How to do?
yeah,
Okay. Kids who are stuck, let us discuss. Only for kids who are stuck. Others, please continue doing. A train travels 360 kilometer at uniform speed. Uniform speed means same speed throughout. So the distance is 360 kilometer. Okay. Now what? If the speed had been 5 kilometer per hour more, that means earlier, huh? So there was two speeds, right? Earlier, if the speed is x, new speed, new speed will be how much? Yeah, give prompt. If the speed was x earlier, what is the new speed?
x plus 5.
X plus 5. Now, what are they saying? Let's go back. It would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. So here also there are two times, one old time and one new time. Which time will be greater, old or new? Old will be
Old.
greater, right? They will take more time. And new, when the speed is increased, he will take less time. So TO minus TN. Am I correct? So TO is what? What is the old time? 360 by X minus the new time, which is distance by speed, and that is coming as 1. Correct? Did everybody get it? Once your equation is formed, it's pretty easy to do. Only careful about the sign and the numbers, how you take it down. x plus 5 minus x and x square plus 5x equal to 1. This both will get cancelled. 360 into 5 and this whole thing will go to the right hand side. Correct? Is that correct? Did everybody get it? Did you get an equation like this? Speed question is very, very important. It can be drafted in terms of distance or speed. Mostly you are using this kind of equations only. So 1800. What are the factors? Who will find it out? See, zeros. Let's give 1 0 here, 1 0 here. It's up to us. Now we need 5. 2 900 2 450 2 225 3 75 3 25 5 and 5. Yeah,
Ma'am, 45 and minus 40.
45 and 40. Okay, 45 and 40. Your answer is x equal to 40. So this train question is super important, and similarly there is a digit question which is important. We will come to there. But can you also do the root questions you have done? So I'm fine with that. How will you do if they ask you to solve this? What will be the steps to do this? Similarly, another question is, what will be the step to solve this? Speed up. First, multiply. What is it becoming? 7 into root 3 into root 3. So 7 into 3 is 21. You are finding the factors of 21, which is 3 and 7. When it is in both the sides, it's not that hard. So you can just do it like this. Plus 3x plus 7x plus 7 root 3. Now what is common? That's what you have to understand. Root 3 is common because root 3 into root 3 is 3x. Is that correct? So here you take 7 common and it becomes like this. Did you understand? Now second one, here it is coming in the middle. So what is the challenge here? Here you're finding the factors of 6. But remember, to do plus and minus, root 2 should be at both the ends. Is that correct? And when you multiply, you should get 6 also. So root 2 into root 2 is already 2. 2 into what is 6? 2 into 3 is 6. So I
3.
can give 3 to one of them. So it will become x square plus 3 root 2 minus root 2, right? Yes or no? Because 3 root 2 minus root 2 will be 2 root 2. Then you take your common and you are done. Here what is common? Root 2 should be common. Understood? Because I should get only x here. Root 2 into what? So x minus root 2 and x plus 3 root 2 is the answer. If that is there, now sometimes a question comes to solve. They ask you to solve a question. Tell me if the question comes like this. Will you feel it is too difficult or do you feel it is easy? The question is to solve for x. What do you think?
Ma'am, do we cross multiply the first part?
No,
I'm in the middle.
no.
Do we solve the bracket first?
Sweethearts, just look at this. If I do like this, what do you feel? Do you feel it is already splitted? Do you feel it is already middle term splitting is done? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no? So you just take common for this part and common for this part and you are done. X. I need 1. That means I should multiply by, right? Just check your first part where you've taken common and the second will just proceed like that. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us, so these are the kind of questions which keep coming from quadratic. Everybody
Ma'am,
knows?
can you scroll up 1 second?
Yeah. So only 3 steps.
Yes, ma'am, you can go down.
Next question, which has come repeatedly, is this one. Do you know how to do it? What will be the first step that we will do? We will place all the we will place the like terms together. So this has got, which is the like term from the right hand side? X. Bring it here. First step. the like term. Otherwise, what we generally do is we take LCM and start doing. In this case, don't do that. Make your life easier. Make both the like terms together. After that, you take LCM. So here the LCM will be x into a plus b plus x. So here it comes x minus bracket a plus b. If you don't put bracket, everything will go wrong. Okay, this is how it should be. After that, what are we supposed to do? Let us open the bracket. Minus a minus b minus x. Do you see something? Can I cut these two? Yeah? See? Does anything come to you? Can you think of anything else, kids?
Do we not open the lower bracket?
We are not yet. We are not opening as of now. We'll open going forward.
Ma'am, can we take -1 common in the
Very
numerator?
good. Excellent. We'll take minus common. Superb. If we take minus common, it looks like this. B plus A by AB. Now, let the minus be here only. See, I'm bringing this AB to up, okay? I'm bringing this AB here.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh? And I am taking the other thing here. What happens? What happens? What will happen? What will happen?
Can cut.
Should I cut it and make it 1? Let me do that. It will get cut and it will become 1. Now what? Minus AB equal to x into a plus b plus x. Okay. X square. Okay. Let's open the bracket now. xa plus bx plus x square. How about me bringing that here and keeping 0 here? Okay. Now what does it look like? There are 4 terms, isn't it? So if we place it properly, x square plus ax plus bx plus ab. See, now only we have to do grouping. Got it? Isn't it? Done, right? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So just apply the process. Sometimes it will take 2 or 3 extra minutes for you to solve it, but ultimately you will be able to do. Next thing that you have to know is discriminant D. D is equal to B square minus 4AC. What happens if D is equal to 0? What happens when D is equal to 0, kids? Tell me, tell me. There are D. If D is greater than or equal to 0, what will happen? For any particular equation, if you solve b square minus 4ac and you see that d is greater than or equal to 0, then you will understand that the quadratic equation will have real roots. It will have real roots. Is that clear? And if it is equal, it will have real and equal roots. If it is less, It will not have real roots, like it will have irrational numbers and all. So what is your quadratic formula? You all remember? Anybody remembers? Root is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. You can do it like this, or you can remember alpha equal to minus b plus under root d is b square minus 4ac by 2a. Beta is equal to minus b minus under root d by 2a. This is the method to do it. You can find the roots using this method. If easiest thing is when you do b square minus 4ac, you will understand if I should go for prime factorization or this method, because this will tell you if d is greater than and equal to 0, you can go for prime factorization. You will be able to do it easily. If it is less than 0, then it is better to go for quadratic equation. Is that okay? Will you be able to find the value of k in this? Tell me, is it possible to find the roots of this? Check, check, check. If you have these kind of questions, always write. Yeah, you write it. Then you figure out what is b square minus 4ac. Do it, kids. Find out the value of k. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Did you get it? Did anybody get it? Right? K is equal to 3 or k is equal to 0. Correct? Is it clear?
Can you show?
I just open the bracket. When you get these kind of questions, you know that you cannot do middle term splitting. Right? So at that time, just think how will you use b square minus 4ac. Hello. Okay, kids, we will catch up tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.